At Pureluxe, our home is your home. Pureluxe is here to provide exceptional feet care, hand care, and waxing. We've done our research to start you with not only the most trusted polish brands, but also up-to-date polish trends. As soon as you know what you want, our experienced and friendly staff will start the glamour, making sure we use new and sanitized tools with every customer. We pride ourselves in quality care and a clean facility to provide you with the best experience. So if you're looking to glamour up, look no further. Park in our lot, come on in, and sit back and relax.